Guys, welcome to BE Codewala. So in this video I am going to show you how to make a Indian flag like this using HTML and CSS. Here is the basic structure of HTML. In this I have taken the title Indian flag. I have linked my CSS file. You can see here is my CSS file that I have linked. So after that, in body tag I have taken a h1 tag, and in this I have taken a div with class flag. In this div we have taken another div with class saffron and flag item. After that, in this class flag, in this div I have taken another div with class white and flag item. After that, in this div I have taken another div with class circle, and in this div with class circle I have taken a span tag with class line. Here you can see that I have taken a span tag with class line. So after that I have taken another div with class green and flag item. After that I have taken a s3 tag. Here I have written my text. So come to CSS file. In h1 tag I have taken color, this color code. After this I have taken border bottom. You can see here 5 pixel solid red, and here is the text align center. After that I have target my class flag. Here I can show you, here in the class, here is the class flag. I have target this class flag, and I have taken margin 30 pixel auto and position relative, width 250 pixel, height 150 pixel, perspective 1000, transformation style preserve 3D, transformation origin, and after that transform. So in transform I have taken translate 3D, rotate Z and rotate Y with some degree. So after that I target again class flag with before. So in before I have taken position absolute, content nothing, and here height is 400 pixel, left -1 pixel, top 1 pixel, and width 8 pixel, border height 1 pixel solid with color white, border radius 3 pixel, background color. You can see here the color code, and after that I have taken box shadow for this. After this, here you can see that I have taken class white. Here I have taken class white. You can see here, but I am going to show you first. After this class flag I have taken this. Now I'll show you. And now in HTML file, here is the div with class saffron and flag item. In CSS file I have taken this class saffron, background color, and after that I have taken the class flag item with height 33.33% and box sizing border box. After this I have taken another div with class white. I'll target this class white, and here you can see that class white I have taken the background color white. After that I have taken div with class circle. I'll show you. Here is the my class circle. So I have taken width 47 pixel, height 47 pixel, border 2 pixel solid navy, and border area 50%, position absolute, left 40 pixel, and I have taken here, no need of this, I will remove this, and here I have taken animation circle 10 second, and linear 2 second, and infinite. After that I will target the class circle again here with after in this I have taken I have target this class circle again, and with after I have taken content nothing, and here width 3 pixel, height 3 pixel, border radius 50%, background color I have taken, and show the you can see the background color. After the position absolute, top 45%, left 45%. After that I have taken a span tag in this div. So here as in a span tag taken with class line. So we will target the class line with position absolute, display block, height 47 pixel, width 2 pixel, background color, and I have taken here left 47 pixel. Sorry, I have taken a left 47%. After that I in here you can see the class line with many span tag. First I will target this first child. So here I have targeted the first child. You can see here is the first child. So I have taken transform rotate 15 degree. Then second child I have taken transform rotate 30 degree. In third child I have taken 45 degree. After this transform is rotate 60 degree, and in fifth child 75 degree, sixth child 90 degree, and after that like that I have taken class. After that in child 7 I have taken 105 degree, and here child 8 I have taken 120 degree. Here in child 9 I have taken 135 degree, and child 10 I have taken 150 degree, and child 11 165 degree. After this here you can see that I have taken another div with class screen and flag item. I'll show you the class screen. Here you can see that I have taken the class green with background color. So after that I have taken a 3 tag, and I have written my text. After that here in the bottom I have taken h3 tag, margin of 18 RU, and text align center, box shadow, and background color. So you can see that a beautiful Indian flag with HTML and CSS. Hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Follow for more